It's day 3 of our prismatic mini tin display opening, and I'm feeling a little frisky. I'm seeing on the right side my favorite evolution. Nice little Leafeon with Eevee popping out the back. We're gonna go with this bad boy. Let's go. So Leafeon is my favorite evolution by far. Let's see if Leafeon can gift us a nice little Leafeon SIR. How about that? Boom, look at that beautiful sparkly coin. Nice little art card. And our 2 packs. Hit that like and subscribe while you're at it. We got the rest of this tin display to go through. Lopunny, Dreepy, Miltank, Professor's Research, Techno Radar, Festival Grounds, Great Tusk, Pinsir, Flutter Mane Pokeball. Oh wait, is that a Master Ball? That's a Flutter Mane Master Ball. There we go. Bang, that's one for the books. One for the Master Set collection, baby. 2 Master Balls so far out of this mini tin display. If you didn't see the first tin opening, be sure to go and check that out. You'll see which the first Master Ball was. Slowpoke, Buddy Coffin, Seaking, Kyurem, Houndoom Pokeball, beautiful card, Briar, and an Umbreon Hollow. Okay, I will take that out of these 2 packs, a Master Ball and a beautiful Pokeball. Oh yeah, guys, make sure to tune in for day 4. Hit that like and subscribe.